Hi, welcome to our draw. Today we're going to draw Keisha Cross from Fortnite Lawless. Let's go to the top. We're going to draw the helmet version of Keisha Cross. It's an epic outfit. So let's go in there and just do a nice curve at the top here. So I'm going to go round about there. And I'm going to draw a nice curve, sort of curving downwards here where the helmet is. And then on the top here, I'm going to draw to the right. Bring your pen across down there, like that, okay? Let's just go over that. Just make it a nice curve. Okay, now I've got that bit in, I'm gonna just pop the visor in. So, I'm gonna draw a little bit of a line diagonally here, curve across, and then the visor comes down, I guess, to this middle point here, like that. And then we'll just join it up with a nice little curve there. Let's pop a little dot there where that visor end is, so they can be moved up. And then I'm going to draw another line here, just underneath where we're drawing the visor. Just come in a bit, nice inwards area there, curve it around to there. Just add a couple of markings to the visor, so I'm going to draw a line across here, come in, come along there into the center point there, up like that, okay? Then there's a couple of lines at the top of the visor, so just draw one there, maybe we'll just draw another line like that there. Cool, okay. We've got the braids of Keisha Cross coming down, like the hair's coming down this way, so let's just give an impression of that where it comes down near her neck. So on the right hand side, just gonna sort of draw a little wiggly line in like that. And then let's do one next to it. It's a little like tie either side, so just gonna draw a little line and then we're gonna just bring it out at the bottom there. And we've got a bit more over here, so just wiggle the pen down a little bit further, bring it upwards like that. Again, we can just draw a little line and a little bit at the end. There's a couple more of these in here, so just going to give a bit of an impression that there's like a couple more coming down this way, like that. And some going around the back here, so just sort of coming along the back to there. That kind of hides the neck area, but there's a few necklaces in the center of this, so I'm going to just pop a couple of banded areas in the middle here, just to give that impression there. Now I've got that in, what I can do is work out where the shoulders are. Got a shoulder on the right hand side here, so coming in about this point here, let's bring our pen out. That's a nice shoulder, curve it around here. And on this side, gonna come out this way, nice curve around that side there, okay. So let's have a look. She's wearing like a crop top, so I think it's pretty cool to put that in first of all. The crop top comes down this way in a bit of a V shape. So I'm just going to bring my pen down to there, keep going like under there to about that point. Then we'll come upwards this way, up to the shoulder strap area there. Then it comes downwards, so just leave a little gap here. And we can just draw a little gap there, come outwards there, and the crop top comes to about here. And on this side, the same sort of gap here, the shoulder area is on the left. We'll come down where the arm is here, and then just bring it out, and we can just join that crop top up, like so. Okay, I'm just going to draw the rest of this arm in. This arm sort of overlaps at the front. This is the arm and hand is at the front of the picture. So I've got that shoulder point in. Let's just bring the pen down here to an elbow. And then what I'm going to do is just bring my pen in there as the elbow and forearm comes inwards. A little bit of a hint here of the bicep, and then the rest of the forearm's about there. It's a few bands again, so bands on the forearm, so I'm just going to draw a few little curves, and then we're just going to join those up. Now we can go to the glove, There's like a cuff with a glove here, so it's like a big wide band, like that. And then we've got hands here, which are fingerless gloves. So I'm going to come out this way first of all. That's like the thumb area. And then the other fingers, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then bring it back round. Bring it up to that wrist area there. Then we could just pop in a nice line where the fingerless glove is, and a bit there for the thumb. Cool, okay. Now I've got that in, let's put the other arm in. So that other arm's coming this way, to about this point here, the elbow, and down here. And the hand is actually covered behind this one. So where the shoulder point is here, let's bring the pen outwards a bit to there, to the elbow. And then I'm going to come in where the forearms comes into the arm area, about there. As we come down this way with the biceps, the arms here, the fold in the elbows about there, bring it down there. Again, we've got a big sort of cuff, so I'm going to bring the pen out and downwards here, and then it's kind of hidden. Just going to draw a little line in there, just to hide it behind. Let's draw that black, just to hide it behind the hand there. There's a little bit of a bracelet element on, sort of some straps, so 1, and then a little cross there. That's all we need to do, I think. Okay, so this is coming together. Got the torso area here in the belt. So I'm going to just draw a line this side on the right. Just come in where that crop top is. Bring your pen out, just curve it out. And on this side, about here. And then we can just curve it into the arm area there. In the middle here, we've got a chunky belt buckle. So let's just draw a nice, chunky, square area. Maybe we just want to look a line in it either side. And then we can just draw out the belt buckle. Come out this way here. Come out this way here. And we can just, either side of that, just draw a line. Let's just colour that in black. Cool. Okay, next we're going to get to the legs. Now there's a couple of like loops and straps. Just first of all, I'm going to just pop those in. One's coming off the trouser just around this cuff area. Just going to draw a nice sort of curved rectangle there. And then this side we've got a bit of a loop coming out just above it, above this cuff. Bring your pen, just a nice curve sort of goes around here. Just loop it across like that. Maybe see a bit of the back. There, okay. Now I've got that in, I can start drawing the actual trousers. So first of all, I'm going to sort of come down about this area here, just bring my pen down this way. Then I'm going to go just draw the thigh area, so come out, draw down to the knees there. It's a little pocket area here, so just bring a little loop out there, that's all we've got to do. And then let's continue this leg. So in the center here, I'm going to come out from the glove area, bring my pen down. The trousers sort of curve in a little bit at the knee, so just give it a little wiggle with the pen, just to show the material. Then we're going to draw the calf muscle, curving in, and a bit straighter on the outer part where the shin is, like that. Okay, let's do the other side. To start again in the inner part here, about there. Nice curve to the knee area about here. Wiggle the pen in and out a bit. And we can go down, a bit of a calf muscle to there. And then this side, I'm going to draw a little curve here. Just around like that. And then here, I'm going to come downwards where the thigh is to the knee area about there. Then come out where the shin is to about that point there. Again, there's a little pocket here, about here. So let's just draw a little chip of that in there. Okay, now we've got these really chunky boots. I'm going to just draw a line either side of these trousers first, and then they kind of widen out first. So I'm just going to draw a nice widened, almost like boot cuff there. I'm just going to draw inwards there. Then I'm going to go in a bit. The boot comes down here to the heel there. And on the other side, it kind of comes down here, curves out to the toe area about there. and then curves out and to the back there. Now I've got that in, I can just draw a nice curve around here just so that show how chunky they are. Then we'll give a nice little hint of this side has got pink laces. I'm just going to draw a nice little hint of those laces there. On that side, maybe a few little sort of crisscrosses just to sort of kind of show that off. And then again, there's a one at the top here, so I'm just going to draw that in like that. And what I might do actually is just colour the rest of it black while I'm here. Cool. Okay. On this side, similar sort of thing, the boot comes down this way and out here. So first of all, just going to draw this like chunky top area. There we go. Bring it around, cap it off. Another little line in there. And then at the back, it's going to come downwards and out to a heel there. And go back up to the top here about this point. Curve it around this way. Around like that, out and down. And then again, we can just cap it off over side there. And then I could just draw the laces. They're a bit more black on this side, so I'm just going to draw in again a bit of a hint of those going around there. Maybe the crisscrosses in. What I'll probably do is just draw those in a bit of a grey colour later, and I'll just sort of colour or block in ink these parts around here like that. There we go. Okay, we've got the main parts in now. Let's just add a bit more detail. There's a nice little heart in the middle here of the crop top, so I'm just going to bring my pen out and draw in a little kind of heart in the centre there. There's a bit of graffiti writing in there, so just going to give a hint of that with the top here. Bit of a tattoo going on, a couple of little bands on the arm on the right, so I'm just going to just draw in and just a hint of these little bits of tattoo there. There we go. Looks like there's a pocket coming down on this side, so I'm just going to draw a nice line coming in here. I'll just draw in a little zip area, and there's a little sort of keychain ball coming off here, like a little head. Just going to draw a nice little circle, two little ears there and some eyes in there. I'm just going to go around the edge of the pick, maybe on this side actually at the top. Just colour that black, maybe these bits they can come in black as well. Just a nice bit of inking at the top to balance the picture. There we go. And yeah, what I might do is just travel around the outer part of the pic, just fill it in a bit, give it a bit of oomph around those edges. Just a little hint of the trouser going on at the top of that leg. Maybe just a little bit of a crease in these legs where the trouser area is here, maybe a bit down there as well. There we go. I think I'm pretty happy with that. So that is the epic outfit of Keisha Cross with the helmet on from Fortnite Chapter 6 Season 2 Lawless. Now let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know who else to draw next, and we'll see you soon. Bye for now.